shear of the outside walls, can it withstand 100-mile-an-hour winds? Gusts can be up to 125 miles an hour in severe storms. So the structural engineer is going to make sure that the house is rated for gravity, that the design is structurally sound, that it's going to be rated based on your county's requirements for the different zones. So we've got a wind zone in this location because we have Mount Rainier over here. We've got seismic activity and ground vibration, potential ground movement. So the foundation system and the whole building has to be engineered correctly so it stands the test of time.